How to get monetized and start making money on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get monetized on Twitter. So all what you have to do guys, it's easy. Go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and go down until you find the settings and privacy option right here. And on this page you will find many options. Choose the tier one, it's monetization. Click on it and you will find two monetization option. There is the ticketed spaces and the super follows. Choose the first one for example and go down, and here click apply for ticketed spaces beta. And if you want to get monetized by the super follows, click on it and do the same thing again right here. It's this one, it's coming soon, it's not here yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be like this one. All what you have to do is go down and click apply, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.